What's the difference between Adobe applications? If you've ever opened the Adobe Creative Cloud menu, it probably felt like staring at the world's most complicated buffet. Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat, Premiere, InDesign, After Effects, so many tools, icons, and half of them sound like they do the same thing. So what's the difference? Let's start with the one everyone's heard of. Photoshop is the king of photo editing and graphics. That means it's built for working with pixel-based images, photos, digital art, social media graphics. You can adjust colors, retouch portraits, remove backgrounds, or design layouts for online use. Think of Photoshop as your tool for editing what already exists. If you've got a photo or image that you need to manipulate, Photoshop is your go-to. Now Illustrator. It sounds like it should be a drawing app for kids, but it's actually Adobe's powerhouse for vector graphics. Unlike Photoshop, Illustrator creates images made of mathematical shapes, not pixels. That means logos, icons, and illustrations that can scale infinitely without getting blurry. Use Illustrator for anything that needs to look sharp at any size, like your logo, which needs to work on a business card and a billboard. If you've ever opened a PDF, you've probably used Acrobat, even if it was just the free reader. Acrobat is Adobe's tool for creating, editing, and managing PDF documents. Need to fill out forms, add signatures, or make a document that looks the same on every computer? That's Acrobat. Businesses use it constantly for contracts, proposals, and anything official that needs to look consistent. InDesign. This one confuses a lot of people because it overlaps with Photoshop and Illustrator. InDesign is Adobe's tool for layout and publishing. If you're making a brochure, magazine, book, or anything with lots of pages and text, InDesign is built for that. It handles columns, typography, and page flow way better than Photoshop or Illustrator ever could. Now we move to video. Premiere Pro is Adobe's professional video editing software. It cuts clips, adds transitions, syncs audio, color corrects, exports in different formats. Premiere is built to take raw video footage and turn it into a polished final product. It's what most filmmakers, YouTubers, and video teams use for editing. If it's video, Premiere's your editing hub. Now After Effects often gets lumped in with Premiere, but it's not the same thing. After Effects is for motion graphics and visual effects. Think animated text, fancy intros, visual effects like lightning bolts or explosions, or overlaying graphics on video. You wouldn't edit an entire video in After Effects, but you'd use it to create animations that Premiere can't. Lightroom is another photo tool, but it's different from Photoshop. Lightroom is designed for photographers who need to manage and batch edit hundreds of images. It's faster and more streamlined for adjusting things like lighting, color, and exposure across large collections, whereas Photoshop is better for that detailed editing. Audition is Adobe's audio editing software. If you're working with podcasts, voiceovers, or need to clean up noisy audio from a video shoot, Audition is where you do it. Premiere has basic audio tools, but Audition gives you full control. Experience Design or XD is used for UI or UX design, basically designing apps, websites, and interactive prototypes. If your team is building a new website or app interface, XD is where designers create mockups and clickable prototypes before developers start coding. Animate. Yes, Adobe still has an animation tool. Animate, or formerly Flash, is used for 2D animation and interactive content. It's niche compared to the others, but still used for web animations and cartoons. So how do you choose? Here's the simplest way to remember. Photoshop is for photos and pixel editing, Illustrator does logos and vector graphics, Acrobat, PDFs and documents, InDesign, layouts and publishing, Premiere, video editing, After Effects, motion graphics and effects, Lightroom, large photography adjustments, Audition, audio editing, Experience Design, UI, UX, and app design, Animate, 2D animations. No single tool does it all. Adobe created these specialized apps so professionals can get exactly what they need without compromise. The right Adobe tool makes your work faster, easier, and way more professional. To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.